In today's video, we are going to have a room tour here at La Mirada Hotel. So this room is a deluxe room. Deluxe room has two double-sized beds. So this is minimum of 2 persons, maximum of 4 packs. So the third and fourth packs is with extra person charge. This room has a closet and it has a safety deposit box. And you get a complimentary bottle of water, coffee, and there is a heater. The nice thing here, guys, is that you can cook. So you can use microwave, this rice cooker. There is an electric stove. Let's check out the CR. Hair dryer. Let's check out the balcony. One of the highlights here in La Mirada is the views. So guys, this is the view from the balcony. Partial sea view and city view. Interested to book this room, you can actually book this through Airbnb. So if you guys have any questions, just drop me a comment, and you may also follow the Facebook page of La Mirada. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!